Hi, I'm Melissa Fikak from South Jersey Divorce Solutions, where we practice in family litigation, mediation, and collaborative divorce. The purpose of this video is to talk about an issue that should be very simple, but for some reason becomes very problematic, and that is child support. Now, child support here in the state of New Jersey is determined by what's called the child support guidelines, where the courts have come up with a system that takes the income of each of the parents and it looks at factors such as parenting time, health insurance, child care, and other things. And then it basically spits out a number of what the child support should be. Now, it is a guideline, meaning you're not obligated to follow that number. But if you go in front of a judge, that is probably the child support amount that the judge is going to impose. But here's one of the things that I think people need to understand. Child support is not sending a box of diapers over to your other parent's house, nor is it providing clothes on occasion or just throwing $100 here or there. Children take a lot of cost, and it's a lot of things that people don't think about. It's not just their cost of food and clothing, but it's their cost for heating and electric and the roof cost and travel, taking them to pediatricians, buying their school supplies. There's so many things involved in raising a child and the cost. And even if your child's just an infant, it's the cost of what the mother needs to help to nurse that child. So these are all things that parents really need to understand when they're talking about, oh, that's a lot of money to pay in child support. Probably the number that you're obligated to pay is much less than is really needed to provide for that child. It's just kind of almost a bare minimum amount. So you need to understand that if you're not willing to pay child support or you're saying, oh, I think that's too much, you really are not depriving the other parent, you're depriving your child. So when we as an attorney talk to you about this is what the child support is going to be, don't think of it as we're imposing our will on you or this is a negative. This is something that is going to help your child to develop to be a happy and healthy adult. If you have any questions about child support, how it's calculated, or how it can be paid, that is something we can certainly assist you with. Our information will follow with this video. Again, my name is Melissa Fikak from South Jersey Divorce Solutions.